Bulk data entry in QuickBooks Desktop can take hours when you have invoices, bills, journal entries, customers, vendors, items, or old records to add. In this video, I'll show how to import bulk data into QuickBooks Desktop using SaasAnt Transactions Desktop without typing everything one by one. I'm using invoices as an example, but the same workflow works for other supported transactions and lists too. First, open your QuickBooks Desktop company file and keep it running in the background. Now open SaasAnt Transactions Desktop. On the dashboard, you'll see Import, Export, and Delete. Since we are bringing data into QuickBooks Desktop, click Import. Now you'll be on the File selection screen. First, choose the type of data you want to import. For this example, I'm selecting Invoice. You can choose other supported entities too, like bills, checks, journal entries, customers, vendors, items, deposits, and more. Next, click Browse File and choose your file. This can be a file from a client, old system, payroll report, e-commerce export, or cleanup project. When the file is selected, you can also choose a saved mapping. This is useful when you use the same file format regularly. Need the right format? Click Sample Templates and use the template to prepare your data correctly. Once the file is ready, click Next. Now you'll see the mapping screen. Here, match your file columns with the correct QuickBooks fields. For invoices, review fields like invoice number, customer, invoice date, product or service, quantity, rate, amount, due date, terms, class, and currency. The fields marked in red are required. Make sure those fields are mapped correctly before moving ahead. Once the mapping looks good, click Next. Now you'll reach the Review and Import screen. This is where you check the data before it goes into QuickBooks Desktop. Review the invoice details like customer, date, product or service, amount, terms, class, and memo. Then click Send to QuickBooks. SaasAnt will now import the records into your QuickBooks Desktop company file. Once the import is complete, SaasAnt will show the results summary. You can see how many records were imported successfully. Now verify the imported record inside QuickBooks Desktop. You can search using the invoice number or customer name, or simply click the QuickBooks ID in SaasAnt to open the specific record directly in QuickBooks Desktop. Check the customer, date, product or service, amount, and other details. That's it. You can also review import settings based on the entity you're importing. SaasAnt stores settings for items, customers, vendors, employees, accounts, classes, journal entries, deposits, time tracking, lookup fields, and more. Before importing a different entity, check the related settings, save them, and continue. Import bulk data into QuickBooks Desktop instantly with SaasAnt Transactions Desktop. Ready to simplify bulk data entry in QuickBooks Desktop? Try SaasAnt Transactions Desktop today.